Hey, Matt here from Fosmon, and I'm going to show you how to set up your 3-digit combination luggage lock. How to set your own combination. The original combination is 000. To set your own combination, turn the dials to the correct combination, open and close the shackle, then keep it closed. Do not press down on the lock button. Hold the lock upside down with the keyhole on the left and the reset button on the right. Use a pen to press the reset button in and rightward to make it tilt rightward and lock inside the groove. Set your own combination by turning the dials and make sure that the numbers on the dial line up with the top and bottom arrows. Use the same tool to move the reset button back to the default position. The resetting is now completed. Please write down your new combination and keep it in a safe place. How to use your lock. Turn the dials to the correct combination and make sure that the numbers line up with the top and bottom arrows. Press down on the lock button to open. Insert the shackle and scramble the numbers to lock. Indicating pole feature. The indicating pole is originally in the hidden position. When the TSA inspectors open the lock with their specific access tool, the indicating pole will be raised. Then you can know that your luggage was inspected by the customs officers. The indicating pole will return to the original position when you open the lock with the correct combination. Congratulations, your 3-digit combination luggage lock is all set up.